Hello, welcome back to another lesson. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the popular song I Will Sing by Moen, and I'm going to do this in the key of F. Okay, so this is our scale. That's the F major scale. So as always, I'll be using the chord number system to explain the basic progression of this song. So I suggest you get yourself familiar with the diatonic chords in the key of F. So this is your chord 1 in F, this is your chord 2 in F, this is your chord 3 in F, this is your chord 4 in F, this is your chord 5, your chord 6, your chord 7 in F, back to 1. Okay, so make sure you get yourself familiar with these chords. Alright, so now let's move straight to the intro. So you know that this video is kind of restricted to just chord progression, but notwithstanding, I'm still going to give you the intro, and if I'm also fast at some cases, you can always pause the video for better comprehension. Okay, so let's go. This is how the intro goes. So this is it. So we start from the chord 6. Okay, then we'll move to the chord 4, then we'll move to the chord 1, then we'll move to the chord 5. Okay, then we'll start again. Chord 6 to the chord 4 now, then to the chord 1, then to the chord 5. Okay, then we'll now move to the chord 4, back to 1. Okay, so that's the intro of the song. Very simple. Then play it again. Okay, very simple and straight to the point. Okay, all right, so now let's start with the first verse. So I'm going to be calling the chord number system as I sing the lyrics of the song, so make sure you use the text above for better comprehension. Start like this from chord 6. Lord, you seem so far away, a million miles. Chord 4 or more. Chord 1, it feels today. Chord 5. Okay, back to 6 again. And though I haven't lost my faith, then to chord 4, I must confess. Then chord 1, right now, that it's hard for me to pray. This chord 5. Then they do something like this. That's the 5 sus 4. Okay, and to the 5. Okay, then we go to the chord 4, but I don't know what to say. Then the 1/3, and I don't know where to start. So this chord 1, this chord 3, don't mind the voicing I'm using. Okay, then back to chord 4 again. But as you give the grace, with all that's in mind. This 4/5, I'm playing the chord 4 in my right hand and the chord 5 in my left hand. With all that's in my heart, then they strike the 5th chord. Okay, then we'll start with the chorus. I will sing. Okay, so that's just basically it. So then play this verse 1 again without pausing, so that you're going to understand how it actually flows better. All right, let me start again. So, Lord, you seem so far away, a million miles or more, it feels today. And though I haven't lost my faith, I must confess right now, there is hard for me to pray. Okay, but I don't know what to say, and I don't know where to start. But as you give the grace, with all that's in my heart, I will see. Okay, all right, so now this brings me to the chorus. The chorus is very simple. We start from I will sing, chord 1, and I will praise, chord 4. Even in my darkest, chord 6, chord 3, through the sorrow, chord 4, and the pain, chord 5, I will sing, okay? I will sing, chord 4, lift my hands, chord 6, to honor you, chord 3, because, chord 4, your word is true, chord 5, I will sing, back to the 1, okay? So that's just basically the chorus, very simple. So now let me play this chorus again without pausing so that you are going to understand how it flows better, okay? So, and I will sing, and I will praise, even in my darkest hour, and the pain, I will sing, and I will praise, lift my hands to honor you, because your word is true, I will sing, okay? Very simple. All right, so now this brings me to the verse 2. The verse 2 is kind of similar to the verse 1 also. So this is just how it goes. We start from 1 again, okay? Then we move to the chord 6. Lord, it's hard for me to see, okay? Then the chord 4. All the thoughts and plans to chord 1 you have for me, to chord 5, okay? 5 plus 4 to 5 again, okay? But I will put my trust in you, chord 6, knowing that, chord 4, you died, chord 1, to set me free, okay? Chord 5. Again, then move to chord 4, but I don't know what to say. Then chord 1/3, and I don't know where to start. Again to chord 4, but as you give the grace, with all that's in my heart, 4/5, then 5, okay? I will sing, I will praise, okay? Back to the chorus again. So this is just basically the whole progression of the song. I hope you find value in this video. If you learned something new, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Like the video so that the video could be pushed forward to more people. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in future. So we'll see you in our next video.